Good morning and welcome to the Asia Healthcare Innovation Summit. We are incredibly excited and honored to be hosting you today. My name is Guillermo Ginesta, Managing Director of Brink Hong Kong. Before we jump into our exciting agenda, I want to share with you a little bit about who we are and why we're passionate about health tech and the medtech industry. Brink is a different breed of venture capital and accelerator platform. We identify, invest, and support purpose-driven entrepreneurs that are building valuable businesses and solving the world's largest problems. We think that the biggest challenges can be solved by entrepreneurs who we like to call game changers. They say an image is worth 1,000 words, so let me share a quick video that highlights what our company is all about.
It starts with an idea. You're onto something. A truly meaningful solution for a problem facing our society. So you persevere. You push forward. Then one day, you're ready to make your pitch. This is your dream. Your chance to make an impact. Your positive change in the world. You talk to us. We're looking for solutions. We're inspired by your idea. We see the potential for impact. We act on it. We give advice and guidance, business and technology insights, expert mentorship, a sense of community, and a movement that's greater than all of us. We connect you with investors and partners that see the benefit beyond the spreadsheet. Suddenly, opportunities that were out of reach are now within your grasp. And because we see the world through your eyes, we're with you every step of the way, creating a real, sustainable business that connects profit with purpose, financial return with value for society. The result might just change the world. Brink, empowering game changers.
Brink was founded 6.5 years ago in Hong Kong and has quickly expanded to cover a number of global locations. Brink is one of the most active venture accelerators globally and Hong Kong's longest running accelerator. We believe in investing in startups who are fundamentally changing how we live our daily lives. These startups are changing how we feel, where we live, what we eat, and how we move. Our core investment verticals are health tech and medtech, hardware and IoT, food and agri-tech, and clean tech. We currently operate 12 accelerator programs across 6 global offices in Hong Kong, China, Bahrain, Poland, India, and Australia. In the 6.5 years we've been active, Brink has invested in over 150 startups that are based across 35 different countries, and we're very proud of all of our portfolio companies. As I mentioned, Brink is a different breed of venture capital and accelerator company. We believe in building ecosystems around our programs in order to truly empower entrepreneurs by providing them with all the support that they may need in order to achieve long-term success. We partner with corporations, investors, governments, strategic partners to support and facilitate the growth of our startups. First, through our accelerator programs, we invest in founders willing to commit their lives to do truly great work. Second, we partner with corporations, as collaboration between large multinationals and startups is crucial for success. Corporates are able to provide resources, experience, and expertise, which shortens the innovation cycles and accelerates a startup's ability to grow. Third, we partner with leading venture capital firms that see the value in investing via an accelerator program in order to access a strong pipeline of quality deal flow while at the same time de-risking their investment. Fourth, we work closely with strategic partners such as government, startup communities, and education institutions in order to unlock new opportunities for growth, business development, and access to talent. By combining all these elements, we give our founders an unfair advantage and maximize their chances for success. One of our core programs is a recently launched flagship Medtech Accelerator. Last year, we announced a partnership with Future Health, a health tech angel investment group headquartered in Singapore, to partner and run a Medtech Accelerator program. Brink and Future Health aim to identify solutions that are perfectly suited to support the innovation required to transition this industry into an advanced and connected healthcare ecosystem. Startups accepted to the program will receive up to $250,000 in funding. We recognize the changes needed in the healthcare industry. We support entrepreneurs developing innovative solutions that solve inefficiencies at every phase of the patient pathway. We are looking for startups building solutions focused on smart medical devices, patient care, AI, big data, predictive analytics, hospital automation, diagnostics, and telemedicine. Our programs are designed to provide a proven mix of funding, education, mentorship, and support to navigate challenging milestones. We support startups with a number of things, namely product market fit, technical development, commercialization, and growth. Our tried and tested and constantly improved acceleration framework provides the right support at the right time from the right people to make sure a founder has the best possible chances of success at all stages of their startup's life. Our accelerator program is 10 weeks long and runs on about a 6-month cycle in the spring and fall. Our application period is typically 2 months long, followed by a hands-on 1-month period that we call ramp-up, where we deep dive into shortlisted teams, as well as providing content and education. This allows us to get to know the teams and conduct extended due diligence, while at the same time providing value to the startups. Selected companies enter the full acceleration period for 10 weeks. Beyond the program, we provide startups with commercialization support and proof of concept development with partner corporates where applicable. Lastly, we also support all portfolio companies by taking a life cycle approach by offering them long-term support. This can take a number of shapes, but most commonly, we support founders with sustained fundraising and commercialization support. Brink Accelerator programs are made up by an extensive online program curriculum of over 110 educational modules, which can be accessed by founders at any given point during the program and after. However, our support goes well beyond these modules, as our program managers, mentors, and experts all work closely with each founder to create a tailored and customized curriculum based on each startup's needs. Startups have access to a wealth of mentors and experts to help them solve any problem or overcome any challenge. As equity partners, we support our portfolio teams throughout their startup journey. We stay in constant touch with all of our teams to see how we can support them with their business development needs. We not only stay in regular touch with all of our founders, but we also provide functional help after the program is finished through active fundraising support, commercial introductions, structured mentor and founder sessions every month, and support them through the exit process. Since Brink's launch, we have made over 30 health tech and medtech investments, which highlight our historical commitment to the vertical. To highlight a few of the investments, Z Imaging is developing augmented reality tools for the surgery room by providing a guidance system for fast and accurate surgery navigation. The system enables matching the surface of a patient's head, obtained using computed tomography, to live stream of 3D images. Frontier Bio develops advanced 3D bioprinted tissues. Their bioprinters can build blood vessels amongst many other tissues while maintaining very high cell viability, unlike any other computing technology. They've already done trials with Mayo Clinic and UC Berkeley. Stratos Labs has built the world's first clinical-grade wearable E-Stethoscope. It offers clinicians a cost-effective, non-invasive, and wireless solution that enables remote detection of key changes in lung acoustics and ventilation patterns of patients between nursing rounds and health visits. And their solution has been vital in helping clinicians fight against COVID-19. JetBrain Robotics build robots for hospitals, specializing in transportation solutions. Their first product is a fully automated medicine transportation robot for multi-specialty hospitals. They were acquired by Solaris Robots under 2 years post our program, and they were Brink's first exit. We understand the challenges a startup face. We recognize that founders have a much better chance at succeeding if they have the support of corporates who are interested and committed in driving new innovation. The healthcare industry has faced unprecedented challenges over the last 2 years. Underlying factors for the healthcare transformation have become increasingly evident, and the global pandemic has further emphasized the need for urgency. From research to drug development and testing, from logistics to supply chain, every component of the industry has been put to a test. The near future will test rising healthcare costs, data collection and security, prevention of disease, new treatments, and patients' experiences. Forward-facing corporates that are able to complement their developments and look to externalize innovation through partnering with startups have a much better chance in moving from treating disease to preventing disease. The playing field has been leveled for startups to compete with established organizations who may be slow to react. It's never been cheaper, faster, or easier to launch a tech business. The increase of corporate venture capital activity only reflects the growth of quality startups solving very important problems. By partnering with strong startups, corporations can see the difference between a 10% return versus a 10x return. The majority of corporations tend to focus on defending the core, where their innovation efforts are incremental, and they continuously are improving products in response to changing customer needs. Some more innovative corporations look at expanding their existing offering through adjacent innovation, seeking to capitalize on new opportunities to launch in adjacent markets. Finally, we believe that the most successful corporates also tackle disruptive innovation, where they develop new technologies, new business models, and new markets that don't exist today. We strongly believe that taking a distributed approach is the best way to achieve exponential innovation. A distributed approach to innovation complements internal methods with startup engagement, allowing to find new technologies and take advantage of fast market trends and new developments. With that in mind, and taking into account the challenges in the industry and the fact that corporates and startups should not act alone, we believe that the healthcare industry will see a number of innovations. We believe that we will see the rise of on-demand healthcare, the use of big data in healthcare, remote monitoring to increase patient access to care, wearable medical devices, predictive healthcare, AI solutions, and blockchain. We are in a position to prepare and avoid a new pandemic in the near future. At Brink, we have a track record of working with corporates and startups. We have proudly partnered with Manulife to launch the Boost program to search for startups to fast-track digitization and build digital solutions to improve the health and financial well-being of customers across Asia. Startups accepted into the program have the opportunity to collaborate with Manulife business units on proof of concept to validate solutions and potentially scale them to millions of customers across the region. Manulife initiatives are a perfect example of a corporation embracing innovation and digital transformation. Just to wrap up, we have a new Medtech program video to share with you. You are the first people to see it, so please enjoy.
Right now, around the world, healthcare is being reimagined through Medtech. Medical expertise and cutting-edge technology converging in revolutionary new ways that are radically improving the patient experience from diagnosis to treatment. Now more than ever, we believe this work is critical to our future. So we've developed the Medtech Accelerator program, a Kickstarter initiative for startup businesses. Following a global pandemic, the demand for medical alternatives like telemedicine have exploded, meaning the future diagnosis is incredibly positive, with Medtech poised to fulfill our society's needs like never before, using technology on demand to move us towards healthcare for all. Machine learning to revolutionize diagnosis accuracy, improvements in cybersecurity to better protect patients' data, and technological advancements to scale up production and bring essential products to market faster. Now's the time to take your place at the intersection between medication and innovation, and quite literally make the world a better place. So if you're a startup, don't miss out on an opportunity that has the power to change lives. The Medtech Accelerator program from Brink, empowering game changers.
We can't wait to kick off our next program. We will begin accepting applications next month for a fall 2021 accelerator. To the startups in the audience, we hope to see your application soon. That's all from me. Thank you for listening, and I'm always available if anyone is interested in getting in touch. Once again, thank you so much for joining us at our first Asia Healthcare Innovation Summit, and please enjoy the rest of this exciting agenda.